number one there in heaven, not there. Idiot. Shut up. Tell Octavia to play the game. Tell Octavia to play the game now. I told you guys, they will only beat me is this network. And they must help you. Look. They must help you to fix the network there. The only thing they know is to follow boys. You go to Skara, they are there. You go there. Oh, manager say food. Say food. Manager. Whooping. Baby girl, I'm sharper fella when I don't have smoke. But if I have smoke, you will keep those coins. Not running MVP. When were you gonna be an MVP? Coins, you come with the coins every day there. I don't give a damn. Shut up. I'll go harder. I'll make it hard for you. I don't give a damn. You go to Skara and beat me again. Actually, guys, this is what is happening. They talk nonsense about me on the comment section. This is what Skara is doing. When you guys talk nonsense about the comment section there, they come and check. I also went there and check. They talk nonsense and then they come here. Mama, we love you. You love me, say food. I don't give a damn about you. Play a game. Mama. You will be broke, baby girl. I come live every day. Me. Mama. You spend your money every day. Don't give a damn. Shut up, Wena. Shut up. Don't give a damn. They think I give a damn about them. When were you gonna play for him? When were you gonna play? You become a power tapper there. A manager say food, that's a holding.
Mama, let me give you water.
Pet love, let them play. I don't give a damn. Shut up on my points. These are my points, baby boy. These are my points. These are the Charlie's points. Do you even know who's Charlie here? Look the way you are so skinny, huh? You are so skinny. Idiot. Coming here and tell me nonsense.
Guys, anyone need that love? Guys, we need that love.
I don't like people who like to pretend when they come into my inbox. I will love you, but when I'm not there, you talk nonsense about me.
Thank you so much.
Idiot.
Thank you so much.
I come there, check the comments. You are pretenders. Then play now. Start playing. Beat me. Spend that nonsense money that you have.
Your points are finished.
These are my mouth.
Yeah.
I'm talking. Yeah. Tell her to play. Tell her to play.
Chill. Hi, whoa.
I'm not chilling. I'm not chilling. Why should I chill when I'm winning? When I'm winning, why should I chill?
Your points are finished. You drink a cab.
MVP's gone.
You are muted. Drink a cab. Your points are finished. Hi, bo.
Guys, thank you so much. At least the guys I went there. I checked the comments. I was like, that time you come to my inbox and we love you, MamakaMpumi. Say food. Come here and pretend to me that you love me. Then now she start playing now. I remove my follows. I don't give a damn. How? I don't care, guys, if you beat me. But if I come to the comments, that's why Skara, the other day I was like, Skara, why are you blocking people? When Skara is coming to my comment section and check. People who always on his live, when they are here, they talk nonsense about you. Together, team. Wafriza wena.
I'm not frozen, guy. Put a wira langa wena.
Wafriza.
Guys, am I lagging?
No, we're gonna go. When I'm done here, we're gonna go. When I'm done.
Guys, am I lagging?
We're gonna go and play. Today, I promise. You know when I promise.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. Okay.
Guys, together. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Together, team. Let's go.
Guys, we keep on stepping.
Together. I don't give a damn.
Maybe. But mama, relax.
Together, team. Wait, just relax on my points. I go out on my points.
Relax.
Those are my points. Those are my points. I go out on my points.
Do you have points?
I think when you go out on me.
Big shopping.
When I'm done with
Mama, when are we going to the big shopping? Relax, Mama.
I was done. Today. When after I go live with Ausdamine, I'm gonna go with Fifi later. But we're gonna go immediately when I'm done.
Please take me to the big shopping, Mama.
Guys, together. Thank you so much. Charlie, thank you. Welcome back. I want to go hard.
Guys, anyone need that love? Guys, if they lead, guys, I'll have to move.
Can I go hard?
Guys, times two,
Oh.
times two, guys, times two, guys.
Together, team, times
Times
two.
two, guys, times two, guys.
Together,
times two,
anything on it.
guys, doubles, guys, we need help. Share a life, my team.
Imagine, Vele, you need help.
They want to go out on us,
Vele, you
guys.
need help. I want to go out and I'm gonna go out. And I'm gonna go out desti.
Never.
I'm gonna go out desti.
Guys, 1,000 points, she moves back. Okay,
Guys,
thank
do
you
we
so
have
much,
a
my
club?
brother.
Did you get a
Guys, on the
club?
club. Thank you so much, my brother.
Yeah,
Guys, together on the club, chat.
Together,
Guys,
team,
together on the club, family.
Don't give a damn mean.
Together on the club, chat.
Anything
Guys,
on the times two.
on the club. Donuts and above, my team. Donuts and
Anything.
above.
1,000 points.
Donuts.
Move back, guys.
Thank you so much for the hot meal, Lala.
Together.
Donuts and above, chat. Donuts and above.
Okay, last 80.
Donuts and above, chat. Donuts.
Okay, last 80 we're gonna drop the club name. Last 80 we're gonna drop.
Cool. Thank you so much, Lala.
Okay, move back. Move back. Let me tell you, baby boy, you will be a wonder. Every time when you come live, you will ask me, what the hell are you wearing? This is me. Huh? You want me to wear what, Mr. Price, when you see me? Everything that I even wear 1920 something. I will wear it. It's not my problem that those magogos of you, they I will wear anything as long as I'm comfortable with anything that I wear.